Hey bro, welcome back to channel. Want to set up recurring payments for your business, course, or membership? In this video, I will walk you through how to create a PayPal subscription system. PayPal subscription system step by step, even if you are a total beginner. With PayPal subscriptions, your customers are automatically billed weekly, monthly, or yearly, perfect for SaaS, coaching, or product boxes. Requirements: verified PayPal business account, product or service you want to sell, basic branding name or logo, website like optional but recommended. You will need a PayPal business account. Personal account don't support subscriptions. Go to paypal.com and log into your business dashboard. Sign up if you haven't already. Sign up your account by clicking sign up button. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. Now log into your account with your credentials. Once you are in the pay and get paid option, select subscription, then click create a plan. Click the product name section, name your product like premium fit fitness plan. Add a description and product ID, product type, select product type like physical or digital, industry category, product page URL, then click next. Then add the product ID. Wait a minute. For example, I'll choose AliExpress products like that. Zero product ID, product type physical, industry accessories, page URL. You can short the URL from bit.ly or shorten link. Just enter your link and generate free and log into your log in with your Google account. Select one from here. Copy the link and paste in your PayPal product page URL section. You can add image URL, or search in Google, like copy the title of your product and link your picture like that. Then go and enter your link here, then click next. Now create a subscription product like plot sorry, click next. Now choose the subscription product you want to offer, then click next, then fixed pricing, then enter your plan name, plan description, then next. Now set your currency from here, then enter price, cycle, etc. This is what users will during checkout. Keep it clean and professional. Choose the shareable link, and turn on plan on. Then copy the code and paste it in your store. And that's how you set up recurring payment subscription payments in 2025. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you are selling today. I will replay with ideas to help you scale. Always test your subscription link before going live. Offer a free trial to boost conversions. Use Zapier or webhooks to connect people to your CRM, email, or course platform. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.